Yes.
Hey, yeah, I was looking for Misty.
Who's this?
Hey, it's Tyler Osborne. Just giving you a call because I'd seen it looked like maybe you were wanting to sell your place on Roanwood.
Everybody's wanting to buy my house.
Yeah, are you wanting to sell it or no?
Yeah, I want to sell it. I want to leave here. I want to go. I want to leave. But everybody in the whole world's calling me, and I'm sick of it.
Okay. And what I guess why haven't you sold it?
Because I wasn't ready at the time.
Okay, so I caught you at a good time then. Well, I mean, what would you be looking to get for it? I'll see if I can do it.
310,000.
310. Okay. Can you just tell me a little bit about it?
It's 4 bedrooms. Really 5, but one's an office downstairs that I turned it into an office. And
I mean, does anything need done to it or no?
what house doesn't need something done to it?
Okay, so well, this one could get expensive quick. That's why I asked because it's so big.
I've already done a lot of things to it. I've done. You have to excuse me. I have Alzheimer's, and I have a hard time.
Yeah, you're fine. Okay, well,
but it's had a lot of things done to it. The roof has been done, brand new. The pool equipment has been totally redone, brand new. The everything you can think of has been redone. I have put so much money into this house. It was my lifetime savings that I put into it, and I just
yeah, it adds up quick, huh? Okay, so I'm looking here, and you said you was wanting what again? Sorry.
I don't know what I remember.
I think you said 310, but I wasn't sure.
Okay.
Let's see here. Well, I mean, yeah, if nothing needs really done, I mean, I'm right there by you. I mean, are you looking to get this done quick, or you need some time, or?
I don't know if I have time with Alzheimer's. This shit.
Okay.
My sons live in Colorado, and I live in Texas, and I'm trying to go back home to my sons, and I don't even know if they want me around them, but
I'm sure they do. I would think they would.
I don't know.
Okay. Well, I mean, so on this one, I mean, I definitely like it. You said 310. I mean, if I can get this done for you quick on your timeline, and then if I pay all of your closing costs and stuff, to get you out there, I mean, net in your pocket to get you to Colorado, do you think you could do 290 or 300?
Oh, no.
Okay, so 310 is where you're at.
That's where I'm at.
Okay.
I mean, 300's possible, but depends on what you're gonna do for me.
Yeah.
To get me to where I can be with my kids,
It,
where I'm not here by myself anymore.
yeah. So, the benefit of me and how I can help is make it super easy and super simple for you. I don't need all these. There's not going to be all these walkthroughs and all this headache for you. On your end, it'll be very, very simple. You just have to sign a document. You won't have to deal with any. If you could send pictures, that'd be great. But I mean, as long as
I can't focus in that way.
oh, you said you can't send pictures. Is that what you said?
I cannot function in that way.
Okay, yeah, I can. We can figure that out then. But I mean, I could do, like I said, the thing with me is it's easy, simple, quick. I can get it done, and if you want 30 days, yeah, with me, I mean, you could be in Colorado in 31 days if you want. And like I said, my offer, there's no fees, none of that jazz. I'll pay it all. I mean, I could do the 310 as long as you don't think, I mean, there's like more than 15,000 in repairs. I'm assuming there's going to be some, like you said, and this place is big. I mean, so say I sent you an agreement over for 300. I mean, you think we could get that moving? Then I'll come out and check it out.
I don't want anybody in my house. I literally am. I'm invalid, and I can't do things.
Okay, so we can't check the house out. I mean, because I mean, either way, like for you to sell this, obviously someone's going to have to look on the inside. And that's not, we're not coming in to do a big inspection and check all the details. We just literally 10 minutes, walk around it, make sure it looks like we said, and then we're good. But no matter how you go about it, if you want to sell and end up selling it, somebody's going to have to come in. And if you do it the market way, that's probably going to be like 20 someone's coming in.
Well, I have health problems, and I can't adhere to that.
Okay. Well, I mean, yeah, like I said, I could do your full asking, but I mean, like I said, if we can't come in, then we won't be able to do it.
Now I have health problems, but I'll place your number on a list. But
All right. Well, sounds good. I appreciate your time, Misty.